Welcome to this demonstration on GitHub integration with Angular application. With the Azion Angular Boilerplate, you can simplify and enhance the deployment of Angular applications directly on the edge of the network. This template provides an automation solution that encapsulates several steps, from repository management to edge deployment, accelerating and simplifying your workflow. Let's check it out. On the platform, choose the Angular Boilerplate template to build an application. On Settings tab, insert a unique name for your application and a GitHub token that you can obtain on your GitHub profile. Click Next to start the deployment process. You can monitor the process with a pop-up window displaying logs. It validates permissions, initializes scripts, and clones your project into the repository integrated with the Vulkan library. The Azion platform performs various configurations, such as setting up the application on the edge and configuring your domain to host the project. On your GitHub, you can see a new repository. The link to the Edge application allows you to see it on the browser. However, it takes a certain time to propagate and configure the application in Azion's Edge locations. It may be necessary to wait a few minutes for the URL to be activated and for the application page to be effectively displayed in the browser. The script creates a GitHub repository to manage the source code, and then it installs all required dependencies. After deploying the template, edit args, implement continuous deployment via GitHub secrets. Add a Azion personal token to the secrets. To create a personal token, go to the RTM and on the Profile menu select Personal Tokens option. While creating a personal token, you'll have to provide personal token name, date of expiration for the token, and an optional description. The personal token's expiration date should be chosen according to your project needs and duration. Now, let's make some changes to the code. Navigate to your repository and locate the src folder, then the app folder, and finally, the app.component HTML file. Click on Edit to modify the content. Here's a tip: you can customize your application even further. Consider creating a unique domain for your application to make it truly yours. Once you've made the changes, make sure to choose the Pull Request option and select Create. Confirm the changes and submit them. Open a pull request to merge the changes to the main branch and start the automatic deployment. On the Actions tab, you can follow the workflow of your deployment, triggering various events on your repository. The Actions tab in your GitHub repository allows you to manage and view your workflow runs, access workflow logs, and set up, edit, or disable workflows for your project. It's a powerful tool to streamline and automate various development and deployment tasks, improving your overall development process and collaboration with others. GitHub Actions enables you to define, build, test, and deploy your code directly from your GitHub repository, all with the help of customizable workflows. Once the deploy is finished, you can check the updates on your web application. Thanks for joining us on this journey. You've got the tools, the knowledge, and the inspiration to create amazing things. Stay tuned for more exciting tech adventures, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep the knowledge flowing. Happy coding, and we'll see you in the next one.